Today I am going to show you the most underrated and hidden waterfall in Baramulla district. It's called Limber Boniar and it's located roughly at a distance of 35 kilometers from the main market Baramulla.